Yo, I'm in the world of shit that you can't even explain. Dealing with tons of pressures, now I can't get out the game. That's why I show and improve, the shit gets out the crew. Representing my brothers and sisters, that's how I do. Yo, I can't forfeit my people, they from the ghetto. Lift up the treble, I'm banging like heavy metal. So watch your back, it's Black and Jack's Enterprise. Keeping shit alive until the fucking day I die. No lie, like I said, I'm on the rise. Coming through like a witch, I got you hypnotized. But I got the heat right by my side. Thuggish, rugged, bone style, I don't wanna die. Too many niggas, they fell a real lie. Time's about to end, so I commit suicide. Cause you know what I'm saying, I can't deal with this shit, yo. Word up.
Hey yo, I be the man that stays on my jaw. When I grab a mic, you say yes, yes, y'all. Keeping it moving, plus flowing coast to coast. Cause niggas these days be swearing that they dope. You can't cope with my style, so I leave your ass broke. Critical condition, now they got you on a mission. Open your eyes, right now we on the rise. Making hits and co-produced by the shit. I just went up on the stars, so you know who we are. Next step on my mind is to make it rap ball. But you only live once, and there's no coming back. Hype track, yo, it makes my son wanna clap. Step up if you want, and you're bound to get smacked. Kick it straight up back, the punk niggas watch your back. Yo, this is how we do it around the way, y'all. Check it.
Yo, blood clot, who's that? It's the Dreadcore K Black. Call me the Don, cause only pretty ass niggas Mac. I'm on attack with my group home crew. Brain sick holding up the rear, so what you wanna do, ladies? Step up if you think you're ready. My dick is like Henny, so don't fuck with Dreddy. You take a little sip and you wind up tipsy. Have you singing, yo, what the fuck hit me? It's that roster thing, strong back, April Fools. Not a fashion dread, strictly thick boots. This is going out to all the pretty boys. Roughnecks and 96s making all the noise. Group home, brain sick, K Black, the wild red. East New York niggas quick to feel that ass with lead. So remember what I said and take fucking caution. I leave that ass red like baked beans or fucking porcelain.
Cause we're walking through the street with this mastermind. You said we couldn't do it, so revise the sign. Check me out, baby Paul, when we start to shine. Lyrics from the top of the dome will blow your mind. East New York is where we're from, and we're doing it black. Locking them down like dreads, and it's just like that. With diamond rings and jewelry all on the scene. People can't understand when we start to clean. One hand washes the other in these lonely streets. Watch my back when you roll, cause you know the flow. Planting seeds to grow ideas, money and soul. Group punk brain sick, enterprise, you know it. Coming straight from the street with raw sounds and beats. Niggas just don't know how the story goes. Cause we're coming from the street with this ill ass mind. Mastered up designing and we rip down crime. The inspiration from the street. Niggas don't believe and the real rush know how we got to roll. In the street you roll tight, cause it's one hand black. One hand watches the other and there's no turning back. You got my back, I got your back, and you know the deal. Where you from? East New York, and we keep shit real. East New York style, baby, we doing it live for your ear. Low budget environment style, the 5-barrel style, you know what I'm saying? My man G Flex in the house. We got Black Dawn in the house. We got Black Star in the house. Dr. Ripper in the house. Little Dap in the house. Cool Phones in the house. Low budget environment, y'all. East New York theory. If you don't know, now you know, niggas. All the real niggas know how we flow. Check it out. East New York style. East New York style. East New All the real niggas know. All the real brothers in the street know. There's no budget environment. Check it out. All the real brothers know. No budget environments now. One hand watches the other. You know the deal. You know the deal. Check it.
It's New York.